Let's take a look at the base 10 representation of what this number is. We have an 8, no 4s, a 2, a single unit, no halves, 1/4, no 8ths. If we add that up, there it is. The number 1011.010 in base 2 is the equivalent of 11.25 in decimal. Okay, let's see what happens when we count integers in parallel with these to further drive home the point. Okay, here's 1, 2, and so on. Okay, here's where base 10 will have its first overflow. Now I ask the question, how many beans do I have? The way we think, we would answer in base 10, 13. Well, I say equally valid is no, you have 1101 beans. And this is how your digital hardware is going to interpret this number of beans. It doesn't know what 13 is. It can't hold that number. It can only hold assemblages of 1s and 0s. So this is perfectly valid to say that we have 1101 beans.